using this process of residual training effects to kind of dictate our mesocycle in terms of understanding how long certain motor abilities will last for without us training. So here we can see the oxidative energy system and strength will last for kind of 30 days without much training. Whereas on the flip side, our kind of speed and our alactic system will only last for about 5 days. So it's again ensuring that we're frequently hitting these throughout our program. Again, on that concept of minimum viable program, we're trying to make sure that we hit all our important physical qualities each week and almost each session. If we look at residual training effects, it kind of brings up the concept of soon ripe, soon rotten, and longer developed, longer to dissipate. So if we spend only 2 weeks on speed a season, well, it's not going to last us very long. However, if we take extended periods of time trying to develop some of these physical qualities, once our athletes enter a period of congested game fixtures where we have to back off them, well, we don't have to be too worried, because we know that, okay, certain modalities such as strength and the oxidative system will last throughout that time period. So then how can we kind of microdose certain speed or alactic work throughout that time period to ensure our athletes are receiving a stimulus to keep them ticking along? And we can use certain methods such as those isometric holds to still impart some form of strength stimulus in this time. I think understanding kind of these residual training effects is really important for youth football, because if a specific quality has been trained to a greater extent previously, it can be regained more rapidly. The nature of academy football, not a lot of our lads will successfully break through to the first team of the club they're at. However, there is a great chance of them successfully having a career in football. So if they've spent an extended period of time throughout us and with us where we're trying to develop these physical capacities, if they go on to a first team somewhere else, well, we know that we've built up a huge base of these physical qualities that will hopefully kind of stick with them throughout their future career, and they won't have to do a lot to keep themselves ticking over.